Welcome back to the online social studies class. In this video, we will discuss the exercises of the chapter States in Northern Mountains. Exercise A. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did Emperor Jahangir call Kashmir? Answer. Kashmir was called a paradise on earth by the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. Question number 2. What are the main occupations of the people of Kashmir? The main occupations of the people of Kashmir are farming, sheep rearing, and weaving. Question number 3. How did Buddhists celebrate the festival of Saga Dawa? Answer. The people of Sikkim are mostly Buddhist and they celebrate the festival of Saga Dawa. In this festival, monks wear rich clothes and take out long procession. Question number 4. In what type of houses do the people of Arunachal Pradesh live? Students, as you already know the answer, the people of Arunachal Pradesh live in the houses made of stilts to protect themselves from rain and snakes. Question number 5. What is meant by jhum cultivation? Answer. Jhum cultivation is an agriculture system where a patch of forest is cleared, cultivated upon for a couple of years and then left fallow for the soil to recover its nutrients and the trees to grow back. Now the second exercise. Fill in the blanks. First one. The people of Dash use kangri to keep themselves warm during winters. The people of Kashmir use kangri to keep themselves warm during winters. The answer is Kashmir. Second, Dash is a special Kashmiri tea. Kahwa is a special Kashmiri tea. Third, Himachal is called the Dash of India. Himachal is called the Apple State of India. Fourth, the 7 states of northeastern hilly region are known as Dash. Students, as you already know the answer, the 7 states of northeastern hilly region are known as 7 sisters. Fifth one. The Nagas wear colorful clothes and jewelry made of dash, dash, bones and ivory. The Nagas wear colorful clothes and jewelry made of beads, shells, bones and ivory. Sixth, Dash is famous for its orchard plantations. Sikkim is famous for its orchard plantations. Seventh, women of Sikkim wear long skirt called dash. Women of Sikkim wear long skirt called boku. Now the next exercise, name the following. The first one, state that gets the heaviest rainfall. Students, the answer is Meghalaya. Second, 2 hill stations in Uttarakhand. The answer is Nainital and Mussoorie. Students, although there are other options as well, but for copy you will write Nainital and Mussoorie. 2 places of pilgrimage in Uttarakhand. Answer, Badrinath and Kedarnath. For this one also, students, there are more options, but in copy you can write Badrinath and Kedarnath, 2 hills of Purvanchal, Naga Hills and Jaintia Hills. Students, Jaintia is a tribe as well as a hill. 2 tribes of Sikkim, Lepcha and Bhutia. In copy you can write Lepcha and Bhutia, and there's one more option, Nepali. Exercise D. Match the following. Match the dances with their respective states. Kashmir, and the dance form is Rauf. Mizoram, and the dance form is bamboo dance. Nagaland, and the dance form is war dance. Himachal Pradesh, and the dance form is Nati. Manipur, and the dance form is Manipuri. Now we'll move forward to exercise E. Give one word answer. Although this exercise is given in the form of a puzzle in your book. The first one, largest freshwater lake in Asia. Answer, Wular Lake. WULAR. Second one, loose woolen coat worn by women in Kashmir. Answer, Firan. Third one, state in which Badrinath temple is located. And as you already know the answer, it is Uttarakhand. Fourth one, a lake in Srinagar having houseboats. Answer, Dal Lake. Fifth one, capital of Meghalaya, and the answer is Shillong. Sixth one, least populated state in India, and the answer is Sikkim. Students, the seventh one, famous for tea gardens, and the answer is Darjeeling. With this, we come to the end of our exercise. Exercise E you will do in your book, and rest of the exercises you will do in your fair notebook. Make sure to revise the chapter and learn the exercise. Thank you.